Welcome back. We are going to be solving this question for x in set of real numbers. Okay, let's solve for it. There's a strategic method we have to use here. Someone will just start expanding this and you find yourself expanding to a point you will not even understand, because you can say x to the power 5, x to the power 4 plus x cubed, or trying to combine. Okay, strategy can be used trying to combine x to the power 5 and x squared. Maybe you combine x to the power 4 plus x, you combine x cubed and 1, try to find out the common factor all around, but you find yourself stuck at a point because you will be unable to proceed with the solution. But let me show you a strategic method in 3 steps to solve this question. Are you ready? Subscribe for the moment and let's go. Okay, you have x to the power 5, you combine it with what? X cubed, combine it with what? Plus x. You see? Okay, we combine all these 3 means. We combine x to the power 4, we combine x squared, and we combine 1 equals to 0. Why are we doing that? We just do since there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we combine 3 and 3. You see a bit, because if you take out x here, you see that this is just adding x multiplied by x everywhere. You see, if you take now every point, you're going to see that there will be a repetition. This one will be repeated. If you multiply it by x, you see that you come back to this man. Okay, hence you can take out x here to have what? Or we take out x to have what? X to the power 4 plus x squared plus 1 plus 1. Here is 1, x to the power 4 plus x squared plus 1 equals to 0. You see that this is just the same thing. Hence from this point we can take as x plus 1 and x to the power 4 plus x squared plus 1 is equals to 0. You saw that we took out already this man and this. That is easy to solve because x plus 1 will be equals to 0, which implies x is equals to minus 1. Automatically, looking at this other man, x to the power 4 plus x squared plus 1 equals to 0. From this point, we know already that this will be a complex. Okay, complex. Hence doesn't respect the set of real numbers. You can just end here saying that x is equals to -1. But if you want to solve for these complex values of x, let's do it in the next video. Click here and watch it. Okay, solving this question.